junior sang hi somni peruka ni he kan maloka world cup omdona phurom to khop maya amaro zo Iran football team te hi an khongai thak khop maya USA hianin group stage a game ni an khel don ni Los Angeles amo ama ero chu an staff chen khathi United States lampang hianin visa an pek du lo mai ba ka heng football team te hi United States a hianin an om hle thedon om je chu anin khel don ni chin an thok lu tanga anin khel zo a tho hole emo US atanga tho chole te kha ngai don khatiang velang khanin Trump pa hianin rule strict tak mai in lo set saka hethi le kan reng kan soi zaw ma ka sil du cheu chu hei hi ani
KCTVS te chuan pathian le mipui min do satu te azara Mizoram sum don na huang kan zau ve zela pongko na showroom le servicing center changchung tak kan nei mai ba ka mipui te ta na ol sam jok nan model veng lama po branch thar showroom le servicing center changchung tak kan nei boka
District Dang, Lunglei, Siaha, Zampai, Kolasi, Serchi, Longtlai, Mamid Let na Tiala de Sub-dealer Zangtlong Tak kan Neiboke.
TVS lirthei te reng reng hi tangram mil le tlo tia soi chin an ni a lirthei mai ba ka parts le service man te tlom big le zela wang hian TVS chu mi pui than an chaume zelani
TVS te an lir thei te in lo lei sak ve cheu don ya ni hian rin ta ka servicing te po tha customer service te mo after sale service te thai be mani in lo dor ve cheu don ya ole en reaction ni la yo ole intro hi chu pui thei khop mai
Iran's football team is in Mexico to participate in the upcoming FIFA World Cup. The team
Iran football team te hi Mexico chon no mekani mo vetat mena
will be based in Mexico as US-Iran tensions continue to cast.
Omje chu tuna hianin United States le Iran tenin do boxia Iran football team te World Cup han telve ngai boxia ma ro chu US han om thei chi si lo chu ban chon in Mexico nin base top don ani US po hianin an du to nga len kwal le tiang vel po kha om ve thei lo hei Indona po tel ve mi lo nam in nam noi ve lo Indona po support lem lo ang chi te kha sports person tam tak hi chun nia an mani sports han concentrate top thina ka tiang kha chon in US zin na chance te ka tiang han fan kwal ve na chance te po kha an du ve thawang amaro chu a thei don lo he tun World Cup a chuan ani chu United States ka tiang han len thoven te po engma thei don lo mani Mexico an om top mai lo ni
a big shadow of its participation in the mega sporting event. The US has imposed an unprecedented rule on the Iranian team. They will have to move in and move out of the United States on the same match day.
Game ni an khel don ni United States a hand group stage big amo Los Angeles a chuan an in khel don ni in an thok lu tanga an in khel zo vele United States atang khianin an thok chok lai hal don ani strict cup mai
Iran will be playing 3 games in the group stage and 2 of these games will be played in Los Angeles. Iranian team will begin their campaign against New Zealand on June 15th.
An game pa saber hi New Zealand laka June ni som panga an khel tan dona
in LA. They would later play Belgium in the same city on June 21st.
June ni som ni pakhata are lo kar khat potling man lo June ni som ni pakhata Los Angeles a tho Belgium ne in khele doni chu are lo lutuk kar khat potling lo ramdang chu ni se an cham tlang tirang United States se hian mo amaro chu Iran nan ni miawa anin do puyan an ram mel mania chu van chonin khami ni som panga game khan nan ne ya Los Angeles ni som ni pakhata Los Angeles a tho game ni nan nei dona khami in kar po kha United States se hian in Iran football team te hi US a oman phal velo Mexico an thole le zela gai don
Following this, Iran will play against Egypt on the 26th of June in Seattle.
Seattle June ni som ni paruka Seattle an khele doni mo
The games are weeks apart, but Iranian team and support staff will have to take
oro Seattle the United States honi lo mi ngatinge game ni chia game ni Los Angeles an khelanga chonin a game thumna kha Seattle an khel don khatiang kha ania amaro chu United States hianin enge Indo te kan ni boxia chu wa za tiang rilru te po khan pu ni ve thei an ram soi tu te khan mo ba kha ngai to me min chu Iran lampang hianin kemi footballer lo ba kha an staff te zinga hanin arukin spy mo khatiang te po kha an lo tir lu lawang ti kha soi thei bik lo kha thil theng thei ania United States te pon an hlau ve pon ni mai thei football world cup boruak te chu ti khanin chil view ma se han huo view ma se United States lampang te an la film khur thong
Flights in and out of the US on each March day. Apart from this, Iran has alleged that 15 of its administration officials, including Executive Director, Secretary General, the Football Federation, and Media Director, have been denied entry to the United States.
Media Director, Executive Director, something Secretary, and Football Federation ami, Mizo panga, kan ba Mizo panga vel hi, United States an lut thei don lo bani. Hi United States te chon in visa, emo lu phal na ang chi kha, pelo bani. Khai ka post na ber kher to hei lai hi chi paruak let mai.
The Iranian embassy in Turkey has accused the US of unleashing the worst possible form of politically biased interference in sport.
Hetianga United States ina World Cup khel don lai hetianga lo in rol hi Turkey ati Iran embassy Turkey ami chuanin thil tu lo takani politics in rol mi lo na tura hetiang hianin politics United States lampang hi amwa in rol tina ni ti in Iran embassy Turkey ami chuanin United States malak dan che dan hi adem le ani.
It also demanded that FIFA holds the US accountable for the discriminatory treatment of Iranian administrative officials and violation of its terms.
Iran embassy chuanin FIFA hi United States laka engdemani action la turina duge hetianga anram official poimo tak te hetianga musit le thaibik nei taka hetianga antibik hi affair lo ati thu Iran embassy Turkey mi te chuan an rod soi chuak bok ani.
I personally would like to say a few words about FIFA. Why is it so late? I only think about the players, and some of them got visas from the technical staff. I think a few of our technical staff, who have a very important role in the team, didn't get visas from their coach, team manager and team manager.
Mi chen khatin visa an huwa ma ro chu chen khatin visa an hulo ni soi tong khanin nia football hi chu football ni top se United States se chu an lo in in rol lo na tura in rol tepo ati ve thei thawa amaro chu soile soinu an film khura security ngai poimo a player te ba ga khanin hey an in do miau sia chu wang te po chu ni United States an film khur khop mai kangai to hey United States te chuanin an rama Iran player te hiting hianin lu chuaten la phal jok ta United States player te hi Iran rama hianin vathon tur chu ni se damin no chok herangem ti te po kharil ro han om ve theya khatiang khathil om ji ania chu wang chuanin hiting hian hi FIFA World Cup boruak phurom tak nuam tak om lain Iran tan hi chuanin alom om over lo ania lom ve thawa an khel thei tur hi chu amaro chu hei an lom akim don bik lo bani emponi se Iran team hi chu an thang renga an football team hi chu Asia rama po voitam tak an lo champion to chu wang chuanin team nep tak an lem lo ni World Cup patel phajin te chu mo khatiang kha ani kan ron report ve chak shim chima chu an ron report ani video la in hmule theu don ni